Well, it's getting warmer out, and everybody knows what that means. You're going to start seeing diet ads all over the place. However, instead, I want you to not start your diet until you have tried these 4 very simple things first. These things will set you up for success, as they set me up for success last year when I lost 40 pounds. So, step 1. Step 1 is probably the hardest step of all. What you're going to do is you're going to thumbs up or you're going to thumbs down the things that you have in your refrigerator or pantry. I'm doing just the refrigerator today. And what I mean by that is use my video as an example as things that might not be so good for you. Things that have high fructose corn syrup and other things that you can't pronounce, like dabaluka blue blah. Yeah, I don't even know what that means. So I'm going to put a list up right here for you on some ingredients that I have researched so that you kind of have an idea. If you are just beginning your weight loss journey, I would like you to put #diet right there in the comments below. Number 2. Number 2 is the easiest of the 4. You're going to clean your refrigerator. And what you're going to use is 50% water and 50% white vinegar. Mix the 2 together and then just either spray it in your refrigerator and wipe it down, or put it on a rag and do it that way. And the reason that we do vinegar is because it's part of the clean eating. Vinegar is not going to hurt your food. So again, another way to be successful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you know anybody that can benefit from any of the stuff that I'm giving you today, share it with them as well. They will thank you later. Number 3, we're gonna go on a shopping trip. This is another one of the hardest things to do. The reason is because you want to concentrate specifically on the perimeter of the store. They, for some reason, stick all the stuff that's bad for you in the center of the store and all the stuff that's good for you on the outside of the store. So try to stay on the perimeter if you can. So you're going to be buying things like vegetables, fruit, yogurt, milk, cheese, eggs, all of the meats and things like that. If you do need things and you have to go down the aisles, like bread, one of the brands, just keep an eye out on the calories on your bread. Mayonnaise, make sure it's light mayonnaise. If you have to go down that cookie or cereal aisle, try to get things that are sugar-free or lighter in the calorie count. And so that will help you be more successful. Number 4. Number 4 takes a little bit more effort, but it'll be worth it in the end. And what you're going to do is prep some more. You want to cut up your broccoli, your cauliflower, separate your grapes into, I've had the most luck with pint-sized baggies, and make sure that you wash everything in vinegar and water first, and then separate it to make it easier. It's scientifically been proven that if you do prep your food first, you are less likely to go dig in the cupboard for something that you should have probably bought. So with that being said, be more mindful in your eating. So a couple of examples are, if you really want spaghetti tonight, that's fine, have spaghetti. But maybe switch out your pasta for spaghetti squash, or whole wheat spaghetti, so use that instead. If you really want those cookies, instead of 5, have 2. If you take these little tiny baby steps, you will be successful. But again, like I said, first, do these 4 things. It will set you up for success. It set me up for success last year, and I have been fighting with diets for over 10 years. And this was the one beginning thing that I did that I actually was able to complete. And you know what? I've stuck with it, and it's been over a year. So, if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and I will get back with you. I'll be able to be more than happy to help you in any way I can. So with that being said, I will see you next week.